Concordia Plan Services was developed and founded by the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod to provide health care and initially pension plans for the church workers. And over the years, it has evolved into a full-service health and welfare plan for church workers throughout the United States. There's almost 4,500 churches that are involved, around 600 schools, 8 universities, and a variety of other registered service organizations. We first became an Infor customer back in 2003. When we moved to the new architecture using the cloud as our driving force, we pulled out about $400,000 in annual operating expenses that we were paying otherwise for the managed service approach to Xerox. Ultimately, the Infor Cloud solution was much more efficient operationally, also was a much more cost-efficient process.
Infor Lawson Financials provided us the ability to look holistically at all the plans that we offer today for all the different employers that we have out in the marketplace. It gives us also the ability to look at where they stand within their payment process when we see an employer that may be in trouble financially, and we were able to work with them. And those are things that we get from the Infor product. On top of that, it provides us a springboard to our portal for open enrollment, and we leverage the Infor product as well on the Enwisen side just specifically for that, so that when we have the open enrollment process that kicks off in September, it's all provided back-ended by the Infor product.
Infor Consulting Services has been real useful in pointing us in different directions. I don't believe we'd have got to the value engineering piece if it wouldn't have been for some of the discussions we've had with them. And when we do a data migration or we do an upgrade, I see them as being instrumental in being there to help us through that process.
You know, it's been a really good relationship with Infor. I deal with a number of vendors on a day-in, day-out basis, and I have to say they are one of the better vendors that I've dealt with. They have a good knowledge of their product. They want you to be successful, and more importantly, when I call, when I have questions, they care, and that's important to me.